Here's problem 1 from the 2019 AMC 8. Ike and Mike go into a sandwich shop with a total of $30 to spend. Sandwiches cost $4.50 each. And soft drinks cost $1 each. They plan to buy as many sandwiches as they can. Then use any remaining money to buy soft drinks. Counting both soft drinks and sandwiches. How many items will they buy? The choices are 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, buy as many sandwiches as possible. Each sandwich costs $4.50. $30 divided by 4.50 is about 6.67. So they can buy 6 sandwiches. 6 sandwiches cost 6 times 4.50, which is $27. That leaves 30 minus 27, which is $3. At $1 each, $3 buys 3 soft drinks. Now count all the items. 6 sandwiches plus 3 soft drinks equals 9 items in total. So the answer is 9. Which is choice D.